A potentiometer, or variable resistor, is an essential component in many electronic devices, enabling users to adjust resistance and voltage levels in a circuit. This small yet significant device is found in various applications, from home audio systems to advanced scientific instruments. Understanding how potentiometers function is crucial for anyone interested in electronics, as they facilitate the control of electrical signals. A typical potentiometer has 3 terminals. 2 are connected to a resistive element, while the third connects to a wiper that moves along the resistive material. By adjusting the wiper's position, users can change the resistance between the terminals, which in turn alters the output voltage. This functionality makes potentiometers invaluable for designing user interfaces and managing different parameters in electronic devices. The tutorial aims to provide insights into the workings of potentiometers, their diverse applications, and includes a hands-on project to reinforce the concepts discussed. Whether for aspiring engineers, hobbyists, or seasoned professionals, mastering the use of potentiometers can significantly enhance electronic projects and designs.
Visit our website, prometeo.blog, to read the full article and many more. All our micro tutorials and comparisons can be read in Spanish and English. They have an integrated learning quiz, and you will have access to a ChatGPT teacher specialized in electronics, computer science, and artificial intelligence.